A good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, June the 15th, June the 16th, 2024. It's today, Sunday. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 872. No, 873939. Yeah, let me check this is correct. 39. Come on. Yeah, 39. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And double 1, here no, there no. 3 minutes. Yes, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for this afternoon. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.